In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Elementor header. Now, whether you're a seasoned website developer or just starting out, tweaking your website's header can significantly enhance its look and functionality. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can confidently make these changes to your site. First things first. Before making changes to your Elementor header, you'll want to make sure you have the right tools installed on your WordPress site. A key plugin that we'll use is the Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor, specifically the Lite version, which is available for free. This plugin offers a host of additional elements and features that enrich the Elementor page building experience. So, go ahead and install the Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor Lite from the WordPress plugin repository. Simply navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section, and click Add New. Then, search for Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor Lite, install it, and activate it. Now that the plugin is all set, let's move on to locating and editing your header. In your WordPress dashboard, head over to Appearance. Under this menu, you should see an option labeled Header Footer Builder. This tool is fantastic as it allows for greater flexibility and control over your site's headers and footers. Alternatively, you might also see it under UAE, standing for Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor, then Dashboard. Either way, both paths lead to the same destination, providing you an interface to manage your headers. Here, you'll find a list of headers you have created or are using. Look for the particular header you wish to edit. Once you spot it, hover your mouse over it and click on Edit. This action will redirect you to the Elementor Editor, a powerful tool that enables drag-and-drop editing. In the Elementor Editor, you can customize the header as you see fit, modify text, change the layout, update colors, and more. The visual interface makes it intuitive to see exactly how changes will appear to your website visitors. After you're satisfied with the modifications, it's time to apply them. Hit the Publish button to save your changes and make them live on your website. Occasionally, you might find that edits you've made aren't immediately visible on the front end. This can often occur due to cache settings or permalinks that need refreshing. So, if your changes don't appear as expected, try flushing the permalinks. You can do this by navigating to Settings in the WordPress dashboard, then Permalinks, and simply clicking Save Changes. Additionally, it's beneficial to clear your website's cache, ensuring that all elements are updated to reflect your latest edits. And there you have it. Editing your Elementor header can seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you should find the process much more approachable and rewarding. Happy editing, and may your header perfectly enhance your website's appeal.